Check out the product.
Hey, I'm surprised. Most people are actually going for the regular one. Alright, so we're gonna actually install the regular one and then gonna swap it up to install the LED ones so that you guys, whatever you guys pick, at least you know how to install. If you don't know how to install it, you can always come to Vital.
Disconnecting the battery to ensure that we eliminate any possibilities of the airbag going off while you're doing the installation. We're just taking the airbag off. Usually you can get, depending on how your system is, you might see two little pinholes. There's gonna be one on each side, so once you locate one, there'll be one here and then one on this side. Pretty much they just look like holes. From there you want to get like the biggest tool. I'm using an Allen wrench that will fit the hole. In this case on the Mustang, it actually has two little pins that you just got to push against, and then you'll feel pressure and a little bit of feedback, so you know that's what you're gonna have to push off of, or it's gonna be a latch. And once you feel that pressure, just slowly push into it and then grab the airbag, and then eventually you'll feel it kind of pop out. And you're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. This one is a little bit easier. Some of them have to have screws, and you're gonna have to turn the steering wheel pretty much all the way to the right at 45 and then work your screws to be able to get your either it might be more likely a Torx, and try to get that tool there, take the screws out, then you'll be able to pull the airbag. Alright, now this one's easy, same color, so you don't forget which is go to which. Alright, so I got everything disconnected. Once you get all your wiring disconnected, you're gonna have one single bolt. This piece actually is the piece that actually holds the steering wheel on, and I already got it loose, so I'm just trying to finish it off. On this part, you do not want to spin this at all. There's actually wires inside of here that run off of a flat copper piece. And this is what powers everything onto your steering wheel. So just make sure it's center. There's your, this one's really easy. There's a center to let you know the direction where you put the new steering wheel on. Not all of them are going to be like that, so be extremely careful and try to be as straight as possible, or you're going to have to uninstall again. Just try to get it straight when you're driving on the highway. All the trim and everything, your buttons, your trim and everything needs to be converted from your old steering wheel. So pretty much what I did was do that. The old Mustang steering wheel and now the new one. As you're converting everything from your old steering wheel to new steering wheel, I just wanted to make a suggestion. There's going to be a lot of bolts. They might have like different heads on them or different treading on them. So the best thing to do is actually just grab your phone, take a quick picture of everything, make sure it's really visual, and you want to put them in the correct spot so everything is nice and snug and where it's supposed to be.